sum of natural numbers in a given range. In our previous video, we have learned about the sum of first n natural numbers. And here it is a piece of code that executes and satisfies the sum of first n natural numbers. I clear-cutly explained you about the working of for loop over here by using string concatenation and explain you about what is happening with I and sum at every iteration. So if you didn't watch that video, I better recommend you to watch that video. Why? Because the sum of given range of natural numbers in a range will also be very closer to this code. So simply I do copy paste of this code from here to here. And here we need to do a slight modification to satisfy this problem statement. In our previous problem statement, we have sum of first n natural numbers. In the sense, our for loop is going to be iterated from 0 to the number that we have considered over here. But here in our latest problem statement, we need to satisfy in a given range. In the sense, there will be a number which is starting number and there will be a number that will be ending number. So let me modify this and I will keep start from 3 and end. So I will make sum as it is here. So and is equals to some 8. So again in for loop also I need to do modifications like start comma and +1. Why it is +1? Why? Because in for loop in Python programming, this for loop will execute up to the number which is less than the given number over here. So that if we keep n plus 1, it will be iterated up to 8, up to the number which is having over here. I hope you understand. So when I run this program, I will get a sum like 33. Let me pre-check or cross-check with our previous program. If I keep starting letter to be 0 and ending letter, in the sense ending digit to be 8 and running the program, we got the sum as 36. If I do this with our previous problem statement, then here num will be 8. And if I run this program, wow, we got the same answer as before. So this is a small logic behind the sum of natural numbers in a given range to the sum of first n natural numbers. I hope you understand the video. I I recommend you to please watch the video sum of first n natural numbers to get more understanding of this particular problem statement. So continue to my channel to learn the top 100 basic Python questions.